Do you feel a little bit overwhelmed learning how to use Canva? Canva's Learn and Play may just be the thing that you need. It's a basic design school, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about it, and these interactive workbooks will show you the tips, tools, and techniques that you need to create stunning designs using Canva. We're going to start off on canva.com, and your homepage may look different than mine depending on what you use it for, but the Learn and Play section is right here. You'll see 4 workbooks on the homepage. If you click the words Design School, you can open up some more workbooks. Today, I want to show you design with fonts. I'm going to leave a template link for you in the description just in case you aren't able to find the Design with Fonts interactive workbook. Each workbook will vary in length, but this particular one has 6 activities. During each one of those activities, you're going to learn how to add and edit text, create hierarchy, add and animate effects, and even how to apply styles. We aren't going to go through this workbook together, but I do want to let you know 5 tips that I have to make these easier for you. Tip number 1, what you're going to want to do is watch the video on the left, and then you're going to do the activity on the right. Tip number 2 is that you might find that you are struggling to see the video on the left. This video is in a frame and it's locked so that you can't move it. However, if you click the video and look at the upper right hand corner, you're going to notice a lock, and you can click it once, it will lock it completely. You can click it twice, it will unlock it. And then you are able to resize the video using these white dots in the corner. You see how this has a duplicate button, a trash icon, and a 3 dots? But if you click out of it, that will go away so that you can see the video. Tip number 3 is that the work pages are below the main screen. You can go from one to the next by clicking each page underneath it. Did you know that I recently began live streaming on this channel? I have a playlist of the different live streams, and the best part about the live streams is that I give you an opportunity to ask your questions about how to use Canva live. You can learn from me and other students in the chat, and if you're interested in joining me live, leave a comment below, #livestream. Tip number 4, pay attention to the design elements within these workbooks. You can always unlock things and check the I for info to see what it's called. This one's called confetti. To go to the Elements tab and type in confetti to see what options there are for you. You might find that you like something, and you can even click on the 3 dots and star it. That adds it to a favorite folder, which you can view right there. Or you could add it to a folder like this. Add folder. By the way, folders are completely free for everybody. Add to folder, or you could create a new folder. I've got a video about the folders, including when they just recently added it to everyone for free. If you want that tutorial, just leave me a comment saying you need the folders tutorial. Tip number 5. What you won't get with the Design with Font workbook is a voiceover telling you how to add the effects. You will just have a visual representation. If you want a more in-depth lesson about how to add text effects in Canva, you are going to want to check out this Canva tutorial on your screen right now. If you like today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure that you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!